are in Megalochori and Santorini, and we are in a cooking class. This is Colleen and Eileen, and we are making potatoes, right?
For moussaka.
For moussaka. Thank you, Chef. Anything you want to tell the YouTube audience?
Oh, well, I hope we have a great experience.
We will. So far, we're in good hands. Thank you, Chef.
Thank you.
The restaurant is called Rocky. I can't pronounce it wrong. Yes, no problem.
I'll be emailing you the recipe.
All right.
You come back with a big knife. Where's my recipe? And now where's my recipe? Where's my trouble?
Just in case, okay. Okay, so we're having a great time. We finished our cooking class with Chef Christos. Thank you very much, Chef. It was not only informative, but it was delicious.
It was amazing.
Amazing. I think that's the right words. I don't have the right word. I don't speak Greek, but thank you so very much, and come back, okay? Just kidding. We had a ball.
Two questions forward.
Yeah, 2 questions forward. But everything was delicious. So thank you, Chef. And
Thank you so much.
how do you
We'll
say?
never forget.
Yes. How do you say bon appetit or
Caliorix.
Caliorix?
Caliorix.
Caliorix.
Caviar.
All right. Opa, everybody.
Oh, you guys have to have some background. Doesn't it look good?
Yes.
Take a Did you take a picture of the baklava? Wow.
All right.